Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and this video is about the benefits of fish oil. Fish oil is a dietary supplement of omega-3 fatty acids. Your body needs it because it cannot create it. So you have to get it from the foods you eat or the supplements you take. I've been taking fish oil for years, but the kind I took was derived from fish that were not sustainable and were from polluted waters. Little did I know. As I was researching about the benefits of fish oils, and I found a product that I really love that is sustainable. Aquabiome gets their fish from pure waters, and they're a sustainable breed of fish, as well as giving back to the environment by creating more coral reefs off the coast of Florida. They've created the optimal omega blend that was different than the other fish oils I've been taking. Fish oil contains two omega-3s called docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, and icosapentaenoic acid, EPA. Those are what's derived from the fish. The one part DPA is the missing omega. The benefits of omega-3 acids are critical for your overall health. It's great for heart disease, high blood pressure, a bad cholesterol reading on your last blood test, for rheumatoid arthritis, and it's great for kids to develop their brains. And it's good for the eyes and the skin, and plays a major role in your energy and your mood. And in digestion, it helps you absorb the nutrients from your food, which may not be so easily for your body, especially as you get a little older. And the Mayo Clinic talks about how helpful fish oil is for the immune system and helps with autoimmune disorders too. And those can creep up on you later in life. So it's important to have the best health so you stay as healthy as you can for as long as you can. And Aquabiome uses the most purest, cleanest, most sustainable fish oil on the planet. So there's no heavy metal pollutants or impurities in what you put in your body with them. And the science research also shows how it's so important to get all the nutrition from the foods you eat on a daily basis. And with fish oil, it helps you absorb those nutritious things from the foods you choose to eat. And Aquabiome has a commitment to the environment. You buy a bottle and you save a reef. Florida's reef system is the third largest on Earth, stretching about 350 miles. It has the only barrier reef system in the continental USA. And coral reefs are known to support 25% of the worldwide marine life. Healthy reefs are critical to our planet's health. That's so cool that Aquabiome supports them with your purchase of a bottle. And they have many selections depending on what it is you care about most with taking your fish oil supplements. The Mariva curcumin is a great one to age gracefully. It's got added joint and brain support for when you're getting older in life. The digestive relief is really great for those that might have occasional irritations in their middle section and digestive discomfort. It's really good for that. It soothes the linings of your digestive tract on the inside. They have a sports performance fish oil. Their classic strength fish oil has a silver label, and it's a proprietary blend with all of the 3 benefits for a vibrant microdome for you. The gold label is a 2,000 milligrams of total fatty acids and omega-3s per serving, which is for the ultimate level of support. I started with the classic level, and then now I've moved on to the maximum strength level because I love the benefits. And the difference is the size of the pill. The classic pill size is a smaller dose, so the pills are smaller. And then the maximum is quite the double size. So depending what you can get down your throat, to each his own. You can find it at Whole Foods, that's where I go to get it, at Sprouts, and also at the Vitamin Shop. Those are 3 huge national brands, so they're easy to find and get to, the kind that you want for you. And they're all non-GMO, soy-free, dairy-free, and gluten-free. Of course! They're from fish, because this omega product is made from wild-caught and sustainability sourced anchoveta in order to help the microbiome flourish in your body and create the perfect omega blend. And it's also helping to restore those reefs in the eco-restorative project of Moat. It's so cool to have a fish oil blend that does all those things, and it's the best possible quality for my body, and I think for yours too. So click the link and get your Aquabiome fish oils, whichever one you like, for what you need. I'm Rebecca Brand, subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to get notified of my next video, or find me on any kind of social media where you like to hang out, because I like to hang out there too. And I wish you good health. Time for my next dose. Got it. If you like this video on health, I've got some more right over here.